now let's explore the delete and drop command of SQL. So let's first see how our table actually looks like. So that's our table with all the columns. Now let's use the delete command, delete from the table name. So that will basically delete all the data that we had under the columns, but it will still retain the structure of our table. So your column and the column data type will still be present, only the rows under those columns will be deleted. So now let's check. So the data is not present, it has been successfully deleted. When working in the real-time environment, you can use the commit so that the deletion has actually took place or the table has been dropped. You can use that and roll back as well. We'll see that in later videos. So here we are trying to now drop the table. So we have to specify drop table name, and that's how you can actually delete the structure of the table as well.